The narcissist just made the biggest mistake of their lives. What is the narcissist's biggest mistake of their life? Their biggest mistake of their life is in how they treated you. Or should I say, how they mistreated you. Because they treated you in a way that was unacceptable, unfair. And that is a mistake on their part. Because you are their source of supply. You are the one who is providing them with attention, validation, money, resources. They are getting all of these things from you. A sense of emotional stability. So if your feelings aren't being attended to, if your needs aren't being met, then how can you perform for them? Of course, you can't. You're only as good as your weakest link. And they are your link. You are connected to them. And this is how it soon begins to have an effect on you. To where you can no longer be the person that you used to be for them. And that is when they start complaining. That is when they start putting you down. Which really just makes things even worse, because how are you ever going to be better for them? How are you ever going to be able to provide them with the supply that they need? Of course, once you get entangled with a narcissist, you can't do that. So inevitably, all you can really do is go down. And that is why it is inevitable that at some point they will line up a new source of supply. But that new supply is never going to compare to you. They're just a desperation pick, or just something out of convenience. It's only because they only brought you down. It's only because you can't perform for them in the way that you once used to. So this is it. This is what reveals, this is what confirms that yes, by taking you for granted, by devaluing you, the narcissist has made the biggest mistake of their life. Like, comment, share the video,